Alright, welcome to Bekenet Trading Journal. Today I just dropped another free signal, which I'm telling you guys to sell USD CAD. Now, the reason I'm telling you to sell USD CAD because price just rejected the weekly resistant one, which you can actually get from the Bekenet Trading Journal, and of which the same thing I gave the same signal on relative strength. Sorry, on the what's it called? New Zealand JPY, the same thing from key level, and I made mention of the video, so you can as well go and watch the video so that you know how to use this software. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Now look at where I dropped the signal that they should sell euro, sorry, what's it called, New Zealand JPY. This is where I dropped it. I think this is where I dropped it. This is why I dropped the signal and I told everybody to go and sell, and it actually pays out. Look at it.
Welcome to Bekenet Trading Journal.
This is where I dropped the signal from a monthly key level. As you can see currently now, if you check this price now, it has already dropped. The same pattern, the same way that I use in analyzing this New Zealand JPY is the same thing that I did on the US card, because it has reacted to weekly key level 1. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do, go into your trading journal. You can use the chart. With the chart, you'll be able to see everything. Now this is weekly resistance 1. As you can see, price recently rejected it. This is resistance 2. This is resistance 3. So this is support 1. So I'm going to sell down to this support 1 of this weekly support 1. There is about 200 pips. You understand? It's pretty simple. Trading has never been this easy by using Bekenet Trading Journal. As you can see, these are all the things we've done so far this week. This week we've killed the market back to back to back. Yes, as I yesterday I made some losses, which is about this $3,200. Made some losses, but before the day runs out, I was able to recover it times 100, if not more, than made about 100 and something thousand, and I made a withdrawal from it instantly. You understand? Because price went back against me and took out my stop loss, so I had to re-enter again using the key level, which I did from here. You understand? So I was able to buy back this market, and the initial direction is already been going, and I've taken out some profit. Look at where I said I'm going to make extra to $200,000, which I was able to achieve it. And this is the New Zealand JPY that I told you about, that I gave the free signal. Everything that we've been doing here so far has been so great, has been so great. Look at it, where I made the $187,000 by what? Buying from key level, GBP New Zealand, when price retraced back and hit my stop loss out of it, and I was able to buy back the market and recover my losses, and this is where I make my withdrawal. So I keep it real, show you everything and all those stuff. So currently now I just dropped another signal, which is what's it called, USD CAD, which is this USD CAD. So you can sell right now, and understand how this thing work. Watch the previous video on how I was able to analyze it. They are the same pattern. Even this one is far more easier than that. So let me break down the analysis for you guys. Let's go to the chart and let me just break it down for you. As you can see, I did not plot too much levels. As you can see, this is my weekly support 1, this is my weekly resistance 1, this is my weekly resistance 2. So my stop loss is above it a little bit, which is a bit higher, but that's the way I want it. So as you can see, this is previous week. This is, if we should check this should be 2002. You understand? 2022. Price got to this level, rejected. The same way rejected. Went to weekly R1, rejected. So as you can see, from each of the high, price has been rejecting this zone. It's only this one that price reject was able to move up and bounce back within next week. And now price is still coming back to test this place. Now, if you check properly on your trading journal, if you go to your trend direction, you will observe that 4 hours time frame is on what a last phase is on what a last phase of a bullish move, meaning that the bullish move has already been exhausted. There's nowhere it can go. It doesn't have the power to move up to go and hit my stop loss, rather than it's going to come back. But when it has already rejected this key level, let me zoom it out a little bit so that you see what's happening here. This is a daily candle. Price moved from here, went to this place, was not able to move above this weekly resistance level. Now it's about to push back. We are moving. Look at it, from it moved from here, this support level, went up, came back, move again. So we're expecting something like an M move. You understand? Price is going to come down. So those are the reason why I took this trade. And there are so many ways you can trade key levels. You understand? So the common one I normally use, I use what has happened in the previous days when price reacted to certain level. You just go to your higher time frame, go to your left hand side, you'll be able to see what has happened. Like you see this daily here now, price rejected this same level here. You understand? Is very simple. If you don't understand weak rejection, all these things, these candles you're seeing, they are weak rejection. So price could not break this level at the time when price got to this what's it called, resistance one. If you see move further, move backward, back in time, you see how price normally reacts to all these levels. So if you see this kind of a thing, it's a sign that it is going to repeat itself in the present future, just like what you are having here. It's still going to repeat itself here. What is happening? That's key level. And apart from that, you need to combine it with the trend direction, like what I told you. 4 hours of usdcad is in what last phase bullish move. So when we're in last phase bullish move, we only tend to see the first phase bearish move. So the trend is going to push it downward, and with that you'll be able to make money out of the market. It's very, very simple. You understand? Key level is powerful. You understand? Key level is powerful, but you need to practice and learn how to do it. It didn't take me more than 20 seconds or 20 minutes, you understand, to analyze this trade, because I already seen the rejection in the market. Look at it. These are weekly candles rejected, and it's coming down. So it's very easy. Always use the Bekenet Trading Journal chart so that I can plot out the key level for you. Then you'll be able to see what price is doing. So I'm currently selling this now. I'm currently selling this. You understand? We've been able to kill the market Monday to Friday. You understand? Back to back to back to back to back. There's no cap here. It's always on Thursday I hit stop loss, but I was able to recover it before the next day, and I made bastard, like I went crazy on it. You understand? Because price went back to touch my key level, then I bought from there. You understand? So that's how we do by using Bekenet Trading Journal. So you can join my Telegram channel for you to be getting free signal, just the way I just dropped this. Now this is going to drop. This market is going to drop, and I'm targeting like 200 pips. This price is going to drop. I'm targeting like 200 pips. So subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel so that you'll be able to get more comments like this. So key level is pretty simple. It's very simple. To watch all the videos that I've created on key level, you'll be able to smash the market with ease. There are so many ways you can take advantage of Bekenet Trading Journal and be able to make back to back. And most importantly, always use proper risk management. Don't trade, use all of your old accounts in one trade. You're going to destroy your account. By the time you see an opportunity or a price manage to hit a stop loss, you will be out. Use small amount of your account to trade. You won't make everything once. Use small account. Imagine if I did not use little account to trade when I had stop loss. I would have been shining my eyes when opportunity hit those key level that I was able to buy from this low here. I would have been opening my eye, but it be just because I was able to use proper risk management. When price hit here, I lost about 30 something K, but no shade, but I knew it was coming to a certain key level. Immediately enter, I saw those rejection, I bought, and I made over 100 and something plus, and I made withdrawal. So always use proper risk management. Trade today and leave to trade tomorrow. You understand? This price is going to move. Even next week, I'm still going to buy heavily on it and do little analysis and get from it. I've already taken out the bigger lot size and I allowed the little to run. Always use proper risk management. You have the powerful tools, but you don't really understand how to use it because of greed. You want to load in your account once and just blow up everything. You understand? Monday till Friday. Today Friday, I'm still expecting like 100K to pull out of this market. It's the same app all of us are using. You understand? The same thing. So just focus, enter into the market at the right time. And another thing I still want to explain too about Bekenet Trading Journal is um the breakout zone. So I'm taking this for analysis at the same time to talk about the breakout zone. Now, if you go to the breakout zone, you'll be able to see that we added a little future. Now, this future has nothing to do with the strategy so far. It's just a little way to know the distance. As you can see, we added this, you understand, to display what? The moves, numbers of pips. You understand? To display the numbers of pips, the distance between this breakout zone and the current price. So with this, you'll be able to know that price broke at this level. Price broke at this level. And do you understand? And this is the distance it has done so far. So those of you that normally come to take trade when you are in first phase and price just broke out this level and the numbers of pips it has done is over 100 and please don't take that trade. You understand? Because price, let me give you an example. You understand? You have, even without me telling you, you should have known that price has gone so far. You're not supposed to take it. You understand? You should plot all these things and watch very well. So that is why I decided to put this pips. It will display the numbers of pips that price has moved from that breakout zone so that you don't just enter into the market like that. Now let's say this is our breakout zone. Let's say this is our breakout zone. Price broke it and price has gone to this point. If you check the distance from here to here, should be about, let's say for instance, 50 pips. You don't need to enter again because price might come back, move up, price come back. Only enter when you see that the numbers of pips, you understand, from the breakout zone and the current price, which is displaying here now. Like this one, this is the 37 pips. The distance 37 pips from here. You can enter, but not when you're seeing like 80 pips or 70 pips. You go and enter because you are seeing first phase. You understand? No, the distance of the pips matters a lot. What the candle does matters a lot. So always put that in consideration. You understand? If you even read, you plot this key level, this breakout zone on your chart, measure it with your crosshair, you see the distance. They are the same thing. You're able to know when to enter and when not to enter. You understand? Know when to enter and when not to enter into the market. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as ABC. Like this one now, like this one that I'm saying, the distance is about 93 pips from where this breakout zone is. From here to here, it's about 93 pips. So even if I'm saying what an up, let's say for instance, this is a first phase one candle, and I'm seeing about 92 pips, I'm not going to enter because the daily candle of any pair is, once it's more than 90 pips, that is overbought zone. So you don't need to buy from the top. Always buy when the pips is minimal. Let's say 40 pips max. If it's above 40 pips, you are taking a very huge risk. You understand? 40 pips max, the same pattern. Use common sense to know that these pips have gone so far. Always look at the volume of your daily candle. You understand? Don't just jump into it. Like this is showing a turning point. As it's showing a turning point, it means that price might come down a little bit, but you're going to have a smooth ride if it breaks this zone. And it has about 92 pips to cover for it to break this zone. Even if you're buying from this turning point, which is kind of risky, you understand? That is why I brought out this breakout zone. Allow it to break this zone first before you start selling. Or even if you want to sell, use small lot size, should in case if it reverse, so that it will not affect you until price break this zone. You understand? There is a lot of opportunity. There are so many ways you can manage and trade with this software. You understand? So there are so many ways you can do it. The distance from this turning point now, where the price is, to where this breakout is about 92 pips. And you can take advantage of it. Trade, but it's very risky because price might bounce up because it hasn't broken this, what's it called? This breakout zone. You only save when price break this zone. You see a sweet move, a heavy move falling down. But even if you want to take a trade from the turning point, always use proper risk management and be watchful of your charts. Don't just place trade and go and sleep. Be watchful so that when you see a weak rejection is moving, you can actually close and be patient. If you are patient, is better, and wait for it to break out this, then before you enter. You understand? It's as simple as that. So this has nothing to do with the strategy. It only shows you the distance at which the price has moved from the breakout zone. Simple. So with that, you'll be able to know the numbers of pips price broke out of that. So it will enable you to enter or not. Because if price has left the breakout zone for 92 pips, that means price has already gone far. So there's no need for you to enter from the top. You only buy from the bottom when it's close to the breakout zone. Simple as that. You understand? So you need to understand all this. It's very simple. So that's the added function we added to it, so that you'll be able to calculate it with a glance. You'll be able to know that the distance from here is just this, and I know what to do in the next phase. So that's just it for that. So I think that's all for now. So probably next time I'll create a proper video on how to explain things better, because I'm currently trading, so I don't really have that time to break down things for you guys. So kindly watch this, watch the key level, and use alarm JPY, and watch other subsequent key level that are created, so that you master this, you master it, and be able to trade back to back with Bekenet Trading Journal. Thank you.